Have a ton of gift boxes but they're never the right size? Not to worry. In this video, we'll show you an easy gift box hack to downsize those large boxes. Let's get started. Take one side of the gift box and fold it lengthwise up to the edge of the flap. Now, turn the box around and repeat the fold. Use a pair of scissors and cut a slit along the fold you just made. Now, repeat on the other side. Fold this little flap down and tape against the side here. Now, repeat on the other side. Lastly, just straighten out all the side flaps and your gift box is ready to use. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.